Okie dokie, I'm back putting the finishing touches on this beautiful home, and I just added all this glitter garland to the chandelier. Now let me show you something really that will help you a lot. So, see how this is just flat against the wall? And then as I move my way along, see how that has more energy and texture to it? All you have to do, and this works with any garland. I know that this is glitter and very specific, but this works with any garland. All you have to do is just a few little tweaks and bends to make it look like it has life and energy. I'll have to get down and move my step ladder to finish, but you'll be able to see now. I just slightly bent those little branches. Now look how this is where I need to move the step ladder, and then going on around where I've already fixed this. See what a difference that makes? Isn't that awesome? And let me see if I can get the chandelier back in here. Yeah, there it is. So, right there. I used the same garland, and I just slightly twisted the branches and just gave it such life and energy. And that's what you want your decor to do, is to have the appearance of energy and life. So let me move, and I'll get that little part right there. And you don't realize it, but I made you guys an entire video of this whole project last week, and for some crazy reason it would not upload. I don't know why. See, I just gently twisted those branches. So you don't have to get your garland all fluffed out. Put it up, and then fluff it to fit whatever you're working on. This has turned out so gorgeous. I've been decorating this home since 2011, and there are people inside, so I'm going to go in and very quietly make this video. I'm completely finished with this house. I started it last week, and I made you guys a really good video that absolutely would not upload at all. So, I'm on the front porch. Okay, let's go in. I'm not going to be talking.
call me on my cell phone to see if you transferred the call to me on both. And I said, no, that's not. She's like, I backed him on that. Yeah, I would have done the same thing. So I just want some clarification. Okay, so clearly somebody's upset. They were and somebody asked for me and not them. Yeah. Well, after the event, I kind of told them too. I was just like, hey, like, you know, I connected with a couple other families, and some families that didn't know what that cemetery was. And I told them exactly what it was. I said, oh, it's kind of beautiful. You know, like, I never even know what the cemetery was. They don't have to market that well. And when I came back, and I was just like, look, I'm almost positive we might have to become a sponsor. If I can get our pamphlet in every single adoption holder, that's worth all your money right there. And yeah, I guess when I told him and Buddy that, when I had some ideas, I was just like, look, it's just going to take a little bit more effort and somebody who understands animals. That's it. It's not going to be difficult. You just have to put in the work. And I think the last time we mapped that place out was like 3 years ago, and I was just like, that's normal. Like, especially with, you know, the amount of clientele, that's a very wealthy part. It's a lot of wealthy, you know, your part is very there. I was like, I would want.
I'm finished. They're ready for Christmas. So, in January to take it all down.